Hello everyone and welcome to Man's Life Roulette. Today in this video we are going to discuss our red and black betting strategy. But unlike red and black straight outside bets, we are not going to play like this. We are going to do is we will select 5 position where we can put a split bets on black number. So we will put a split bet over all these positions. So the total bets will be 5 position with $1 each. That is $5, and at this red outside bets we are going to put 9 units of $1 each. So the total bets will be $9, and the total bets, overall total bets with that 10 black number and all these 18 red number is $14. So my total winning number will be 10 from the black side and 18 from the red. So 28 number are my winning number and just 10 number are my losing number. So anytime if I own, I will manage to make a profit of $4. But whenever I will lose with $14. So I have 28 number to win with $4 and 10 number to lose with $14. So how to manage these losses? To balance these losses, you have to double every time you lose. So every time that 10 number will appear, this 10 number will appear where I lose my $14 bets, I need to double my bets. And this is a progressive betting strategy. So any of the progressive betting strategy must have a target. So as this strategy, I have a bankroll of 1,000. I will use $1 as my unit. My target should be $100. So let's try this strategy and see how the strategy actually works. So these are the position you have to put your bets. So 5 split bets over the 10 black number and 9 red outside bets. So this is the bets arrangement and play. So we have 28 number to win and just 10 number to lose. So definitely winning ratio will be high, but the winning amount will be low. So the first win I lose over here, so I need to repeat and double the whole bet. So now 28 is the total bets. If I lose again, I have again to double my bets. 28 this time, and I win over here. So once you write the higher bets amounts, you stay at that position for remaining spin until you achieve your target. Eight this time, and this is a winning number. So it's time for repeating the bets and play. You have to repeat and play whenever you are winning, and you have to double the bets and play whenever you are losing until you hit the target. So this time 2 was the number and it's a losing number, so it's time again to repeat and double the bets. So $1,000 must be there if you are playing with $1 as a unit. So 1 is a red number and all the red number are my winning number. So repeat and play. This strategy is highly risky, but this strategy has also the potential to give you a quick profit. So last spin was a red number, so there is a profit. So repeat and play. Again it's a red number, so definitely it's a profitable one. So it's time again to repeat and play. $23, another red number, another profit. So just repeat and continue the game. Having a bigger bankroll is important for this kind of strategy where you are doubling all your losing bets. So again it's a red number, definitely it's a perfect win. So repeat and play. I have to continue this style or this strategy until I achieve my target 31 this time. Again it's a profit. So let me remind you, I have 28 number to win, so my winning probability is quite high. 4 this time and it's a losing one, so time again to repeat and double. Every time you lose, just repeat and double the bets and play. Every time you won, just simply repeat and continue until you achieve the target. 19 this time. It's a red number and it's a profit. So repeat and play. Zero this time. This is the losing number, so you need again to repeat and double the bets and continue the game. $34 this time is a red number, so definitely it's a win. So after this win, I need to repeat and play the game. $14 this time, and this is a red number, and I make some profit over here again. So repeat and play. $17 this time, and this time it's a winning number. And now you can see the bankroll. It's 1,126. I have started from 1,000 and my target was to make 100 as my profit, but actually I make 126 as my profit. So once you achieve this target, what you need to do is you have to start from the beginning, and that beginning is $1 at all these split black position, and $9 as this red position, and you have to continue with this same strategy again. Before ending the video, let me tell you, for this kind of strategy where you need to double the bets after every losses, you need to have a bigger bankroll. Though I have a bankroll of 1,000 at the beginning, I am playing with just $1 unit bets. So this thing you have to remember, that if you are playing with any of the progressive system where you need to double or increase the bets after losses, then you must have a bigger bankroll. And second important thing is that your initial bet should be as low as possible on the table. So I hope guys you like this kind of strategy on Roulette, and if you really like my strategy, then do subscribe this channel for more updates on different new strategy on Roulette, and do share this video with your friends who are active in Roulette so that they can also understand the logic of winning strategy in Roulette table. Thanks for watching and good luck for your gaming table. Thank you.